Okay, so we're working on an animated scene. Let's open up our project, which is at here. Open. And let's see where we're at. Oh, we did front and back. Oh, we're going to add some music. All right, add some music. A picture this nice deserves some music. Select Import in the File menu. In the submenu, select Music MIDI. Let's see what happens. Import Music MIDI. A dialog opens. Locate the music directory within the LCI and Microworlds EX directory. So on a Mac, that's under Applications, Microworlds EX, and Music. Look at all this music. Okay. Select a tune and click Open. Let's choose Pop. And I like to click Embed in Project. What that does is that adds the music to the MWX file, the file that your project is, so that if you move that project to another computer, it'll still have the music embedded in it. Okay, so I'm going to click that. Drag the icon to an appropriate place. I don't know, about up here. And click on it to hear the music. Awesome. Click on it again to stop it before the end if you wish. Click. And I think actually the stop all will stop that too. Yeah, it doesn't pop it out though. That's interesting. Okay, but anyway, yeah. So we can play this and play the music and hit stop all to stop it. Okay, well that's all there is to that. So maybe we have time to do one more. Let's see, what's the next thing? Finishing touches. Before showing your scene to your friends, add some finishing touches. First, stamp the text box for your title so the text won't move. Select the stamper. That's this tool right here in the toolbar, and stamp the text box. Boink. Okay. The text is stamped on the background, but the text box is still there. You can now delete the text box by control clicking and selecting remove. So what I'm going to do, just to show you, see I have the stamp cursor here. I'm going to get my regular cursor back here, and I'm going to click on the background, and yeah. So see, I have these little handle thingies. That tells you there's still a text box here. If I do a control click or a right click if you're on a Mac, yeah, remove is one of your options. Let me just show you opaque just to remind you. This was the text box that we added before. So this could be made opaque or transparent. We can actually move it around. So you see, this is what got stamped on the background, is that text. But our actual text box, we can move all over the place. I'm going to remove it. Okay. And basically, the reason for doing this is so that now, see, I can't. It's stamped in the background. It's part of the background. It's not something you can just move around. Next, frame your scene. Click on the presentation mode icon in the toolbar. That's this guy. And the scene will look like this. And then click on your animated turtles and on your music, and double click anywhere outside the page or escape to return to the normal view. So we can actually, Yeah, okay, let's click on this guy. So here's our presentation mode tool. And I can click on this guy. And I have an animated scene. And if you want, you can stick other turtles in here going around doing stuff. You can add more cars. You can add like a kid on a bike or something like that. And you can, now to get out of this, again, you could just double click outside of here, or if you hit the escape key, that would have done the same thing. So that is how you make an animated scene. Don't forget to save once again. So let's say File, Save Project, and now we have our complete animated scene all saved.